Hello everyone, in this video we are going to compare Huawei Watch Fit 3 versus Amazfit GTS 4. Specifications. Display size of Huawei Watch Fit 3 is 1.82 inches and display size of Amazfit GTS 4 is 1.75 inches. Display type of Huawei Watch is AMOLED display and display type of Amazfit is also AMOLED display. It's same. Resolution of Huawei Watch is 480 into 408 pixels and resolution of Amazfit is 390 into 450 pixels. Pixel density of Huawei Watch is 347 ppi and pixel density of Amazfit is 341 ppi. Size and weight. Dimensions of Huawei Watch is 43.2 into 36.3 into 9.9 mm. And dimensions of Amazfit is 42.7 into 36.5 into 9.9 mm. Weight of Huawei Watch is approximately 26 grams without strap, and weight of Amazfit GTS is approximately 27 grams without strap. Battery life. Optimal conditions of Huawei Watch Fit 3 is up to 10 days and optimal conditions of Amazfit GTS is up to 8 days. Typical usage of Huawei Watch is 7 days and typical usage of Amazfit GTS is 8 days. Battery saver mode of Huawei Watch is up to 14 days and battery saver mode of Amazfit is up to 16 days. Always on display AOD on Huawei Watch is up to 4 days and always on display AOD on Amazfit GTS is about 4 days. Water resistance. Water resistance of Huawei Watch Fit 3 is 5 ATM and water resistance of Amazfit GTS 4 is also 5 ATM. It's same. Suitable activities of Huawei Watch Fit 3 is swimming and shallow water activities, and suitable activities of Amazfit GTS 4 is also same, swimming and shallow water activities. Performance. Sensors of Huawei Watch Fit 3 is 9-axis IMU sensor, accelerometer, gyroscope, magnetometer, optical heart rate sensor, ambient light sensor. Sensors of Amazfit GTS 4 is BioTracker 4.0 for heart rate and SpO2 monitoring, multiple sensors for enhanced tracking. Sports modes in Huawei Watch Fit 3 is various fitness tracking modes, specific numbers not detailed. And sports modes in Amazfit GTS 4 is over 150 sport modes, including smart recognition for strength training and real-time navigation with dual-band GPS. Comfort and fit. Strap materials in Huawei Watch Fit 3 is leather and fluoroelastomer. Strap materials in Amazfit GTS is leather, liquid silicone and nylon. Wrist size range in Huawei Watch Fit 3 is 120 to 210 mm. And wrist size range in Amazfit GTS is 140 to 200 mm. Design in Huawei Watch Fit 3 is sleek, lightweight design suitable for all-day wear, and design of Amazfit GTS 4 is sleek, lightweight design suitable for all-day wear. It's also same. Conclusion. Huawei Watch Fit 3 is ideal for users seeking a slightly larger display and longer battery life under typical usage conditions. And Amazfit GTS 4 is ideal for users looking for extensive fitness tracking capabilities and advanced health monitoring features. Key advantages of Huawei Watch Fit 3 is longer battery life, larger display, variety of strap options, and key advantages of Amazfit GTS 4 is over 150 sports modes, robust GPS system, advanced health tracking. Overall recommendation of Huawei Watch Fit 3 is best for stylish appearance and good fitness tracking capabilities. And overall recommendation of Amazfit GTS 4 is best for serious athletes needing comprehensive tracking and features. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share our video. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos.